Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, to solve this equation we will take left hand side, that is a minus b whole cube, and because of this cube we can write this expression as a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. Now what we will do is we will multiply this a with a minus b into a minus b and minus b with a minus b into a minus b. So the expression will look like a into a minus b into a minus b minus b, then a minus b into a minus b, bracket close. Now we know that a minus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can replace this a minus b into a minus b with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write the expression as a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we multiply a with a square minus 2ab plus b square and we will be having a cube minus 2a square b plus a b square, then minus plus minus a square b, then minus minus plus, then 2ab square, and then minus plus minus, we'll be having b cube. Now we add the common terms, 2a square b minus 2a square b and ab square 2ab square. So we can write the expression as a cube minus 3a square b and plus a plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we can arrange and take the common out from these two terms, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. So we'll be having in the bracket is a minus, because we have taken the minus as common, so here we'll be having minus b. So now our right hand side is equals to our left hand side. Thank you for watching.